doing this pretty good. I'm surprised I like almost made that late rotation and landing.
Fuck yeah, dude. Fuck yeah. Woo!
Bit better. Let's get it.
What do you think of being recorded by 3 cameras at once by one person? What's filming? Yes, you are. Yes!
Thank you, appreciate the help.
No problem.
That was so scary. I didn't know if I could make that, but I somehow made it, so. Yeah! 1, 2, 3. Are you good? You good? The important question is, are you good? You just rotate as well, but yeah, bro. Yo, let's get it! Let's get it! Woo! Yeah. Yo, let's get it! Holy fuck. Yes.
Ooh! You had time for another twist in there.
Can't hurry up. Oh, safe. Yes, Johnny, let's get it, bro. I was not expecting him to make that. He made that shit. There we go. Yeah, let's get it! Phew.
Yeah, let's triple.
Yeah! On my way back to Queensland, I'm fucking super nervous, and yeah, I kind of want to stay here for longer, eh? Not lie. Been awesome catching up with you again. Yeah, let's